A reading from Psalm 128, which was the song of ascents that the Israelites would sing as they ascended to the mountain Jerusalem for worship. Beginning in verse 1 of 6, you read, "Blessed is everyone who fears the Lord, who walks in his ways. When you eat the labor of your hands, you shall be happy, and it shall be well with you. Your wife shall be like a fruitful vine in the very heart of your house, your children like olive plants all around your table. Behold, thus shall be the man, and blessed be the man who fears the Lord. The Lord bless you out of Zion, and may you see the good of Jerusalem all the days of your life. Yes, may you see your children's children. Peace be upon Israel." This is the word of the Lord, and thanks be to God who gave it to us. Thank you for listening.